Hare Krishna, good morning. Today during doing japa, my husband got the idea to share a story with you, and I'm like a mediator. I would like to share the story of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati. He told the story to his disciples because one time in West Bengal, one family, they decided to go to their relatives to the wedding, but they had to cross the river and they had to take the boat. But it would take quite long time, so they decided to go during the night time. And they came to this boat, sit inside, and the boatman said that I will go and you just take rest, sleep. And he was paddling and during the whole night, and in the morning when the sun, after the sunrise, they could see that they were staying at the same spot. And they have realized that the anchor was still there. The boatman didn't take it out. And this is the analogy to the spiritual life, that there are certain things that they work as an anchor in our life, in our spiritual progress. And these anchors, Srila Prabhupada, he gave us these 4 regulatory principles, which is avoiding meat and all products of violence, avoiding alcohol and drugs, smoking. Third thing is gambling, and fourth thing is illicit sex. So if these 4 things are in our life and we still want to progress in spiritual life, they will work as an anchor. They will keep us on the same spot even we do something, but it's so hard to move. We have to consciously take it out. And sometimes it's not easy to do, but Krishna, by his mercy, he can help us to get rid of these anchors in our life. I have my own experience which 100% proves that prayer to Krishna, ask for help, truly helps. Yeah, I wasn't, at some point of time, I wasn't following certain of these principles, and it was hard to get rid of something, but sincere prayer to the Lord that I want to get rid of it, I want to move forward because it only gives suffering. By the mercy of Krishna, everything became possible. I became a master of my senses rather than these habits were a master of my own self. So I wish you to become free in your life from these anchors and move forward to Krishna by chanting his holy name, by doing kirtan, by associating with the devotees, by visiting the holy dham, by reading Srimad Bhagavatam, and be happy. Because this life, even though it brings much suffering and distress, it still can be joyful and happy with Krishna consciousness. Radhe Shyam. This is the anchor of material attachments, which we have to take out consciously and be happy.